Hello class, in this tutorial we will learn about the minimization problem of linear programming. So suppose you have this question. There are two products, product A and product B. The cost for producing product A per unit is 15,000 rupees and for product B it is 18,000 rupees. The material, that is steel, which is required for 1 unit of product A is 1.5 tons and for product B it is 1 ton. Similarly for copper, it is 1 ton in product A and 3 tons for product B. Now when you come to the constraints, steel requires at least 6 tons and copper requires at least 10 tons. Now the constraints are not less than equals to, they are actually more than equal to, because now the at least function is being used. Okay, so similar to our maximization problem, we'll put 0 as units, and under resources used we'll use some product formula of this array multiplied by this array. Similarly, some product formula for copper tons array and number of units turn array. Similarly, for total cost, we'll use the formula sum product of cost per unit array multiplied by number of units array. So we'll go to solver, and now we have to set our objective is to minimize the cost. So we'll select this cell. Now our problem is minimization problem. So we'll select minimum. Changing variables are these two. We have to change these variables so that the cost is minimum. And now the subject to constraints. So first our subject to constraint is this cell, and now we have to change the signs because it is at least required. So we will change this to more than or equals to 6. Add our next constraint is this, and we again have to change the signs to more than or equals to, and constraint is 10. Okay, now both constraints are added. Now simplex LP, solve. Okay, so see, the minimum cost is 80,571 rupees if we produce 2.2 units of product A and 2.5 units of product B. I hope this clear your doubts regarding the minimization problem.